Hello and welcome to Everyday Linux User. As you may be aware, this month I've been trying out XFCE based distros, and recently I've been trying out the Arch based ones such as Manjaro and Endeavour. And today I was going to review the CachyOS version of XFCE desktop, but I've hit a snag. And the snag is I can't get it to install. Now CachyOS is the #1 base distro on Distrowatch, so you'd think installation would be fairly straightforward. Now I have installed CachyOS in the past without error, but at the moment it gets stuck at about 19% and it won't go any further. So I've done research on this, and some people say to turn off IPv6, some people say redirect your DNS to the Google 8888, some people say refresh your cache mirrors, and some people say something to do with a keyring. None of them work, it gets stuck at 19%. Now other people have said, just be patient. If you've got a poor internet connection, it can take up to 2 hours to install. But EndeavourOS installed in 15 minutes. Manjaro installed in 15 minutes, and they're both using live-based installers. In fact, I've installed Mint, MX, and various other distros in the last month without issue. Now, CachyOS users, when other users have reported this on their forums or in Reddit, have said, well, it works on my machine, it must be something to do with what you're doing. But that's not really a very good solution, because that user is now not going to be using CachyOS, they're going to use a different operating system. Hopefully they'll stick with Linux, but they're probably not going to stick with CachyOS. So I won't be doing a review of CachyOS XFCE because I can't get it to install. I'll try again in a few weeks' time to see if the installer has actually fixed itself, but as of this moment, there is no review of CachyOS, other than to say I can't get it to install. And that is the end of the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.